Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski here at Assurance Claim Services, a licensed, bonded, and insured public adjuster here in sunny South Florida. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today we want to talk about the insurance claims process and why so often people are underpaid once they file a claim. Let's take a look at that. First thing that happens when you file a claim is what? Normally the insurance company is going to send out a field adjuster, a super nice gal or guy who's going to take photos, measure everything, ask you a bunch of questions, and they're going to go back to their desk and prepare an estimate that looks something like this. More often than not, they used a program called Exactimate. This one was a plumbing leak. They had damage to their floor. They had damage to their drywall. $11,615. This goes to your desk adjuster. The desk adjuster looks at this and says, yeah, that looks accurate. That's what we're going to pay you. Now, here's where things go sideways. One, if the desk adjuster only receives one of these, this is all the information that they receive. This is what they're basing their decision on. All well and good. This person got a $10,000 check, net of their deductible. They went out and started looking at contractors and getting bids and found out they didn't have enough money. Something went wrong. I went out, did an estimate for $36,283 using the very same program that the field adjuster did. Now, what went wrong? Three things. And it wasn't because I went out and put in a bunch of stuff that didn't belong in that estimate. Three things were done incorrectly to cause a $20,000 discrepancy here. One, the house wasn't measured properly. It was over 1,200 square feet missing from that field adjuster estimate. Number two, the grading of the flooring, he had vinyl plank. It was not vinyl plank, it was engineered wood. So when you combine engineered wood cost versus vinyl, and 1,200 square feet missing, you have a significant amount of money discrepancy between those two estimates. And last but not least, the default ceiling height on this program is 8 foot, which means that if you don't change the ceiling height on the program when you do this estimate, it's going to be 8 feet. And everyone that knows that living in Florida, we love our vaulted ceilings. The ceiling in this place is 15 feet. What does that mean? That means you have half of the amount of paint that you should have. This is the value of using a public adjuster, because we go out and shoot a Matterport camera, 3D maps, and there's no discrepancy. There's no arguing the measurement of this house. There's no arguing the grading of that flooring, and this is how we earn our money. We want to make sure that the insurance company has the proper information to make a good decision on how much to pay you. If there's anything I can do for you, I'm glad to help. Carl Barnowski, 561-352-5960. Call or text anytime. Stay well. I'll talk to you soon.